First of all, go to the browser of your choice. In this case, I'm going to go to Chrome. In the browser window, type in cloudtokenwallet.com. You'll notice at the bottom that you have two choices, Chinese Simplified and English. Click on English. Click the X to the right of the word English to close that window, and then click Android Download. The default message will pop up. Just click OK. Okay, the message will pop up and just click on Open. This does take a while sometimes, but just in case there's been if you wait a reasonable amount of time and you don't see it, the install instructions, click on Android Download again. You'll see this message pop up to download. Click the download button. Click Open. And then click Install. Okay, once the app is installed, click Open. If you had a problem with any of that, go back to your browser, go to any website, pick the three dots at the top. There's a drop-down menu. Go down to Downloads. See if it's downloaded. If it has, re-click it, or click one. Notice it downloaded twice here. Click one of those, and it will re-download the app in case you didn't get any of those pop-up messages. Okay, we're going to click the tile button, one of the three buttons at the bottom that shows me what's open, so I can go back to Cloud Token. Okay, the app's going to pop up because we already told it to open. If it doesn't, you can find the app on your phone and just click it to open it. You're going to click on Create Account, which is below Login. You're going to type in the referral code. Now, this is a 10-digit code that you received from the person that referred you or that shared this with you. So it's important to type that in accurately. Be sure you check closely that you've got all 10 digits in there and that you've got the correct digits in. Okay, once you've got that in, hit Proceed. That'll take you to this window where you're going to put in a 6-digit PIN number that you create. Any 6 digits you want. Now there's a million possibilities with a 6-digit PIN, so it protects you quite nicely. But once you put these in, you're going to write them down. I'm going to say that again. Write down the PIN that you select in a very safe place. Not on a piece of scratch paper, but someplace that you can store it like in a lockbox, because you're going to store this and you're also going to store the account number, because that's the way for you to get into your account. It's critical that you store these offline so that you have access to them as you need them. You won't be able to call support and find out what that number is. Again, write down the 6-digit PIN number that you create and then click the Create button. Okay, this window comes up. Notice that your login ID is a 16-digit number. Very carefully write this down and triple check it. Yes, triple check it. Write this down so that you have an offline copy that you save in a secure location. Write the login ID number down and the PIN number. Not on a piece of scratch paper, but someplace where you're going to be able to print it out and put it in a safe lockbox, someplace where it's protected. Now we're also going to take a screenshot of this window, and then it's going to go into your picture gallery, and from there you're going to move it to an offline thumb drive storage device of some kind that's offline, and then you're going to delete it from your picture gallery because you don't want your phone to have all the login information on it if something should happen to your phone. Okay, in order to take a picture, a snapshot of this window, most phones that you click at least on Android phones, you hold down the lower portion of the volume key as well as the power key at the same time, and it will click a picture and put it in your picture gallery. Once that's complete, you'll click Login, and it will take you into the account. Okay, you'll notice that under Super Wallet, it lists 5 items. The top one is the CTO, the cloud token itself. That's what you earn if you participate in the AI Jarvis uh, arbitrage trading. Ethereum, Bitcoin, Tether, USDT, which is it's tagged with the dollar to maintain a par with the dollar. Same with True USD, which is at the bottom. It's designed to match the dollar. Okay, up at the top on the left, there's 3 horizontal lines. If you click on those lines, it'll pop open a menu, and that menu has a series of items. If for some reason that you've created an account in Chinese instead of English, what you can do is go to the second item up from the bottom. You won't know what it says, but it says settings. Go into that, click on that settings button. You'll get this window. The third item down, the arrowhead, click on it. That's set language. Click English, and then click proceed. That should take care of the problem. If it doesn't, you'll need to uninstall the app and reinstall it in the English version. Okay, notice there's 6 icons, blue icons, round icons. Those are different areas, and I'll have you take note for on the next video. We're going to cover withdrawing or actually depositing your crypto, and also starting the AI Jarvis, which is where you begin to earn on a daily basis. So we're going to cover that in the next video. Registration is basically complete from here, but I do want to show you that there's the far left button in the menu is called Projects. And if you click that, that takes you here to the Jarvis AI. If you clicked on that, that's where you can move your funds from your wallet into Jarvis AI to start to earn on a daily basis. But we'll explain that in the next video.